Good morning. Welcome back out to our Peter Rabbit remodel project. Today we're going to look a little bit at attic accesses. Sometimes you have an attic access in a place where you want it to be concealed, not seen. And this is an easy way to do it. It's cost effective, a little less labor. We use these little, they're called a stealth lid, and they're fire rated. You make the frame slightly larger. You go 31 inches by 22 and a half. And this frame will screw into the framing and the lid sits right inside. And again, it's fire rated. It comes with a gasket already installed on it, so you have the air seal that you need. You can see this edge here. That's a gasket. It'll sit inside, and when you do insulation, the insulation will sit on top of that, and you can fasten it to this lid. This entire lid will blend with the sheetrock, so it's the same fire rating as the 5/8 sheetrock that you get. Put the lid on, tape it, conceal it, texture it, paint it. It all blends in, and now you've got what appears to be a flat ceiling instead of a recessed attic lid that would sit up here and either require drywall corners or millwork, something up here that draws attention to it. This hides it. Blend it in with the paint, all your ceiling finishes, you hardly even know it's there. So it's a good way to conceal your attic access without putting in a whole lot of effort. You just order the material and install it. Well, talking more about attic accesses. So this is a different part of the house leading into the master suite. Up here we have an attic access that was a traditional style. It was wrapped with sheetrock on all sides, a sheetrock lid, and we're now prepping it to put in another one of those stealth lids. Once we put that stealth lid in here, it becomes less of a feature or an eye catcher, and it just blends in flat, so it's concealed. It'll look nice against all of our finishes in here. Eventually we're putting in a hidden door here, and this space will finish off. It'll all be concealed, and to add to that concealment, we don't want to have an ugly attic access up here, so we're going to put a stealth lid up here as well, and that'll blend in and make the ceiling look flat. It won't catch your eye that there's an attic access here. So that's the whole goal, so we can conceal it. Very inexpensive feature to put in, easy to install, and it finishes out nicely. So here's where the attic access used to be, and since this remodel happened, we took away some walls. This used to be a pantry in here, which was a good spot to hide an attic access, not visible to the guests or common traffic throughout the house. To get rid of it, we wanted to move it back into the new pantry. This pantry is going to have a hidden door. It'll be blended in with the cabinets. You won't see it. Everything's all about concealment. And so once you come through here and come into this nice big pantry, we got a cool walk-in refrigerator going on over here. This is where we're installing this other stealth lid. So we'll get the stealth lid installed. Pretty simple to install. It just screws right into the face of the framing. You order these. They come pre-assembled with a gasket in here for air seal. They're fire rated. They'll line up just right with a 5/8 drywall lid, and they blend in. Once you tape and texture and paint, prime, all that stuff up here, your finishes, it'll all blend in. It'll give you the appearance of a flat ceiling, and it conceals the attic access. So even back here in this space where there's not a whole lot of traffic, guests or anybody, you can hide this and it looks better. So ultimately we'll finish this refrigerator off with slab, surround, and black paint or finish on this door. So it'll all look nice. Thanks for watching Peter Rabbit Remodel.